just to make use of time. There's a sheet, those of you that were early may have received it on the way in. There's a provision of the Constitution, 16.4, that allows delegates, if delegates from 100 ridings make a submission more than 12 hours before the start of this session, it bypasses the ordinary process and puts the item on the agenda in this session. That occurred last night, and so we have a new item, C-12-5, and volunteers, if you didn't get this sheet, we'll pass it out so that people will have an opportunity to consider the resolution, and we're going to deal with it as the first item after the regional priority. So item C12 is the last regional priority, then we'll move to the item that came in under the Constitution, and then return to the ordinary agenda. But if you didn't get a copy of the one-page item C12.5, volunteers have them and are handing them out now, and we'll come to that in due course, and I'll again explain at the time how we got to have that on the agenda, but just so people have an opportunity to see it and consider it in advance, feel free to take a look. I was at the party's founding convention in 2005, and I don't think I've ever seen this mechanism used. But so as I mentioned earlier, there is a provision of the Constitution that allows 100 delegates from 100 ridings to submit an item to be considered in the constitutional workshop. Last night we received proposal for item C, what has now become item C12.5. We had to add it to the agenda somewhere. As the moderator, I used my discretion to add it after the regional priorities, which we've now just concluded. So the first 12 items were all identified as regional priorities through the process leading to the convention. The items that follow were ranked by priority through the process, and given the effort I'm sure that was required by the proponents of this motion, I felt it made sense to deal with at this point in the agenda. So I will call upon Ms. Enns, I believe, as the proponent who gathered the 100 signatures to speak to proposal C12.
Rachel Enns, Vernon Lake Country, Monashee. I'm a two-term member of National Policy Committee, a former member of National Constitution Committee. NPC and NCC shepherd the process to bring policies and constitution amendments to the convention, but we're excluded from having a voice on the Convention Planning Committee. This proposal will ensure one NPC and NCC member will have a voice to offer our perspective in how the convention is scheduled and structured. And I want to thank all 120 delegates who signed this and got this to the floor. Way to go, mission accomplished.
All right, thank you. No, there's no technical commentary, so we'll go to another speaker in favor for 30 seconds.
Good morning, everyone. Gabriel Theriault, Richmond, Arthabasca. As a three-term member of National Policy Committee and a two-term member of Constitution Committee, I could tell you that this proposal is very good for us. It will allow us to have a bona fide say on how the affairs of Constitution and policy will be conducted during convention. Vote for that. You will never regret that.
Thank you. Speaker opposed for 30 seconds.
Gore Talk, Red Deer. I actually signed this to bring it forward.
All right, 1 second. Let's restart the clock. Mr. Tulloch for 30 seconds.
I signed the petition to bring this forward, but I struggle. I've read it like 3 or 4 times now. I really struggle to see what it does. With the proviso causes me trouble as a term, and are they able to bring recommendations? Are they only allowed to vote? The language just isn't precise enough for what they're trying to achieve here. I think we can wait another 2 years.
Full voting member. It's on the screen.
Sorry, give Mr. Tulloch back another 10 seconds.
I just want to say, that's effing rude, man. Yeah. There's microphones here. Get to them. Pisses me off. Anyway.
I'll give you another 10 seconds, just given the interruption.
Anyway, in conclusion, we can come back to this in 2 years' time, get the support of your region, bring it forward, and we'll discuss discuss hopefully a better edit and a better drafted resolution. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there any other speaker opposed for 30 seconds? I think that was a wave off, so no. So a rebuttal for 30 seconds.
Levi Dirksen, Carlton Trail, Eagle Creek. I am in favor of this proposal. It will lead to better collaboration and a better convention for all of our members. We have in the proposal that on each of these committees, from the representative from the National Policy and Constitution Committee, those representatives will be full voting members of the Convention Planning Subcommittee. Please vote in favor of this proposal so that we can have a better collaborative communication across our party. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll call the question for a vote. So again, it's on the screen or was handed out. It's not in the booklet. It's a one-pager. All those in favor of item C12.5, please raise your cards. All those opposed? I think we should count that. So the counters into their positions, please. So all those in favor, please raise your cards. Hold them high until you've been counted. Thank you. Okay. All those opposed, please raise your cards and hold them until you've been counted. item C12, or sorry, C12.5, votes in favor 441, votes opposed 325. That will move through to the plenary session tomorrow. At the request of the room, I will ask that if you're speaking to a